Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll take you all to the southeastern part of Nigeria as I'll be showing you all how to prepare African salad, popularly known as Abacha. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'm Joy by name. The following ingredients I'll be using will be at the description box, so please do ensure you check it out. To make this abacha, I'll heat up some palm oil in a pot on low heat. I'll also be adding some diced onion, then saute till fragrant. Guys, for this recipe, I'm not using potash. Next, I'll be adding some fermented locust beans, popularly known as ogiri. It's actually a local seasoning. You can purchase it in any local market close by. I'll just gently melt it up in the oil. I'll also be adding some African oil bean seed, popularly known as ukpaka or ugba, some grounded crayfish, grounded pepper, seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. I'll mix everything together. The reason I'm actually frying is so we don't end up eating some raw ingredients, like eating raw pepper or raw salt. We all know that raw salt is not good for our health. I'll just take it off from the heat and allow it to cool down a little bit. Next, I'll transfer the abacha. I soaked it initially before washing, after which I drained out the water. I'll just mix everything completely well. Abacha is actually rich in carbohydrate, dietary fiber, and mineral. If you've been to the southeastern part of Nigeria, you will agree with me that there is totally no Igbo occasion without abacha. Next, I'll be adding some chopped garden egg and peppered kpomo as well. I recently uploaded a video on how to make peppered kpomo. I'll add the link to the description box. Feel free to check it out after this video. I'll just mix everything completely well, and the abacha is pretty much ready. I'll be serving mine with some fried fish. I'll also be adding some Utazi. It has a sharp, bitter but slightly sweet taste. I'll also be adding some onion ring as well. And guys, look at this. Thank you all very much for watching. Just before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do have a Merry Christmas celebration.